Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to demonstrate how to crochet a chain stitch in today's tutorial. This crochet stitch is ideal for beginners as it's among the most fundamental and necessary ones. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. Make a slip knot on your hook first. Click the link above to watch my video where I demonstrate how to make a slip knot if you're unsure how to do it. Take the yarn with one hand and the hook with the other. From back to front, wrap the yarn around the hook. With the yarn over the hook, pull the yarn through the loop on your hook. There you go. You should have a new loop on your hook now. This is your first chain stitch. To make more chain stitches, simply repeat the yarn over and pull through process. Each time you pull the yarn through, you create another chain stitch. As you make your chain stitches, count them to ensure you have the correct number for your project. Each V shape along the chain counts as one stitch. Keep your tension even while making chain stitches. If your chain are too tight, your work will be difficult to crochet into. If you're too loose, your foundation will be floppy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below for more crochet tutorials and tips.